Hello, everyone. Hi, this is Weltha. Hi, you guys. Okay, so today we're going to make some potato skins. A potato skins recipe, okay, you guys? And this is all the ingredients that you're going to need. And sorry, you guys, I have a slight cold, so sorry about my voice, but not feeling too well today, but I wanted to put out this video, okay? So today we're going to make some sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm talking through my nose. But today we're making potato skins recipe, okay? And these are all the ingredients that you're going to need, okay? So we have the potatoes, we have bacon, we have cheddar cheese, some salsa, sour cream. And these are all the ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe, you guys. It's going to be a delicious potato skins recipe, okay? So come cook with me. Let's make a potato skins recipe together. Okay, so let's get started, you guys. Come cook with me. Okay, first we're going to wash the potatoes. We're going to wash them very well, you guys. You don't want to be eating dirty potatoes, okay? So make sure your potatoes are clean. And then we're going to wrap them in some aluminum foil, okay? This is what we're going to do before we bake them in the oven. So I'm just going to take each individual potato and I'm going to wrap it in the aluminum foil, okay? And that's all I'm doing here, you guys, okay? So just wrap each one with the aluminum foil and put it in the pan, and we're going to bake it in the oven, okay? And we're and we're going to put the oven on 400, you guys, and we're going to bake it for an hour, okay? So it's going to take about an hour to cook all of these potatoes, okay? And the oven, it will be on 400, okay? It's going to be so delicious, you guys. And this is what it looks like when you're done, okay? So now it's time to bake them, all right? So just let's go to the oven and bake these bad boys. Okay, so they're in the oven, you guys. Remember, it's on 400 for 1 hour. In the meantime, we're going to take care of this bacon, okay? So I'm just going to slice up the bacon, cut the bacon into little pieces, you guys. That's all I'm doing here. Just cutting it into little pieces. And then I'm going to cook it on the stove, okay? And I'm going to get it nice and crispy. Okay, and when it's done, I'm going to take it out of the bowl and we'll have it ready for when the potatoes come out, okay? All right, so now the potatoes are ready. Look at that. So we're going to check it. They're ready. So we're going to take those out. And, of course, I let them set out for a few minutes so it wouldn't be too hot for me. So I'm going to slice each potato, you guys. Just slicing each one. And then we're going to dig all of the potato filling out of the middle. So we're going to make like a little hole in the middle of the potato. So just dig out all of the filling from the potato. But not all of it, you guys, okay? So I'm going to show you how it looks. See, that's the way you want it to look. Just like that, okay? So just do each potato this way, you guys. And when we're done, we're going to get the filling, all of that potato filling that we just did. Smash it. And then we're going to get some sour cream. But we don't want it to be too smashed, okay? Because we still want it kind of lumpy. Put some sour cream in there. I put sour cream in there, you guys. All right. And then I'm going to mix all the sour cream together. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed, okay? And then we're going to add some salt and some pepper. Stir all that together. Then I'm going to add my green onions or my chives, okay? Oh, excuse me, guys. And I'm going to stir all that together. And now, you guys, it's time for my bacon. We're going to add that bacon to that. Ooh, don't that look delicious? It's so good, you guys. This is a delicious recipe for any time of the day. So now I'm going to add some cheddar cheese. And if you don't like cheddar cheese, you can add whatever cheese you like. But I love cheddar cheese, okay? So I'm adding the cheddar cheese. And then I'm going to stir all that together, you guys. Mix all that delicious, yummy, yummy, delicious ingredients. Those are so good together. Oh, it's going to be so good. Don't that look delicious? So just make sure you mix it all together, you guys. It's thoroughly mixed, okay? So we're going to have all the flavor in each potato. Then we're going to add all of this to the potatoes, you guys. Just make sure it's mixed. I was just making sure it was thoroughly mixed, okay? All right, so now you just get your spoon. That's how it's looking, you guys. Don't it look delicious? Okay, so now just get you a spoon. Bring the potato skins over. And then you're going to add that filling to those potatoes. That delicious filling that we just made to those potato skins. Oh my God, it's going to be so good. Okay, so just make sure each one can fit in the pan. And I think I can fit all of these in this pan. It's kind of crowded, but I'm going to make it work. Okay, just taking my time, making sure that they fit. I had a few extras I had to use another pan for. So all I'm doing, you guys, is just adding the filling. You can add as much or as little as you want to add to the potatoes, you guys, okay? And again, guys, I'm sorry about my voice tonight because, Lordy, I have a cold. But it's getting better. I should be better in a couple days. Okay. So just add all the filling, you guys. Don't that look good? Oh my God, it's going to be so good, you guys. Some of them are kind of long, so I had to put a little more filling in those potatoes. So that's pretty much all I'm doing there, you guys. Just adding the filling to each potato skin so we can have that delicious, delicious flavor of the potato skins. When you bite into each one, it's going to be so delicious. And if you're vegetarian and you don't like the bacon, you don't have to use the bacon, you guys. You can make it without the bacon or get your vegetarian bacon. I've tried the vegetarian bacon. I like it too. Okay, so I'm just going to finish putting all the filling in the last couple of potatoes, you guys. And then we're going to throw this back in the oven after we put some more cheese on top. Okay, we're almost there. And I'll show you what we're going to do next, okay? Okay, all done. Look at that. Don't that look delicious? Oh my God. You guys, you gotta try this. It's gonna be so good. Let me know if you try it. Let me know how did it turn out for you guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in the oven on 400, you guys, for about, this time it's only gonna be in the oven for a few minutes, okay? For about 10-15 minutes, okay? But first I'm gonna spray my butter spray that I have. Spray a little bit of that on it. Okay? And then I'm gonna push it in the oven for about 10 or 15 minutes, okay? It doesn't need to stay very long, okay? Just for a few minutes, okay? And then you take it out, and it looks like this. And then I'm going to add some more cheddar cheese on top, okay? So take each potato and just add more cheddar cheese, or whatever cheese you're using. But I'm using cheddar cheese, okay? Then you put it in the oven, and you let this cheese melt on it just for a few minutes, and this is what you have. And there you have it. You have some delicious potato skins. Don't that look delicious, you guys? Delicious potato skins recipe. Enjoy, you guys. Okay, so right now, you guys, I'm going to add some sour cream to each one. So we're going to add a scoop of sour cream to each potato. It's going to make it taste even more delicious, if that's possible. I love me some sour cream when it comes to my potatoes, though, you guys. I have to admit that I love sour cream on my potatoes. When I make any baked potato, I need some sour cream. So you just add the sour cream to each potato, you guys, okay? This is the finishing touches that I'm adding to my potatoes, okay? And that's it. And there you have it. You have potato skins recipe. A delicious potato skins recipe, you guys. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe. Hit a like if you like the recipe and let me know what you think. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks, you guys. Thanks for watching. Potato skins recipe. Enjoy, you guys. And I will see you on the next one. Okay? As soon as I get rid of this cold.